Like we're still in business to this huge patient master chahala semzini gogo Mr. Tufu nongana ngome nyama langwana basket yangena market thatha mina ngithatha wena ngiyatwashela ngiyaphekela mpede ngishange dabulu anginathi angibhemi ngidlala parliament gogo basi benini mina emhlaba omuhle njena bathi ayi nalengana babele gogo yamunyisa nalengana achuthe khona kuyasa gogo unathi lana inside Mbombela podcast gogo sihleli kamnanzi sinethedekile. One time we're still in business, it is huge. Patient master ngicakala semzini gogo. Ayitfoli intombi mine bengitidlulela athi ngosadana ligama ungubani yathi ngiphamela yona but I'm just a model futhi ngiyadula mina and you can't afford me. Oh, yathi ngiphamela yona but I'm just a model. Oh, futhi ngiyadula mina and you can't afford me. Athi so mandla ba isemandleni awu nayintombi ngihlangana nayo landleleni angaphela ngemagama bomhayise ngilamleleni awungabe ngoneni ikwababa lapha esifubeni hayi ngithi no I do love you and you my my boo and I promise to love you if I'm a minute oh bengitidlulela athi ngosadana aligama ungubani yathi ngiphamela yona but I'm just a model afuthi ngiyadula mina and you can't afford me. Oh, yathi ngiphamela yona but I'm just a model afuthi ngiyadula mina and you can't afford me. Yathi ngiphamela yona but I'm just a model phela ngiyadula mina and you can't afford me.
Greetings and salutations, my beautiful Mbombelians. I'm still your host, Leo Gant. Welcome to another exciting episode of Inside Mbombela. On this week's hot seat, we've got arguably one of the most underrated vocalists, actually, screw the province, the country. I mean, like, dude is bigger than the scene itself, but for some reason, he's not there yet. Let's see if we can push him up there. Me and you, we got this. Passion Master.
Sanibonani gogo, sanibonani Inside Mbombela podcast. Thank you for having me. Ngiyabonga nje kakhulu ukuthi ningi-invite.
Dude, thanks for saying yes, and also thank you even more for moving it up because dude, the sooner really we get you out of the way and now you can live your life from first time.
Yeah.
The happier everybody is.
We all have homes and then we eat all. So I still wanna go namngobonda. Je nangibona brother nje yaponda sona nabantu abakhe la.
Yangekho for a week.
Yabo, namsengijahe ukuthi bongasela le ndlela.
Yangekho for a week.
Because umsimvulo it's therapy.
It is therapy. Yeah. It is therapy.
Yeah.
It is therapy. Dude, speaking of therapy, how did you fall in love with music?
Let me take you back to my first album.
Dude, flow is your
which
shoot.
Is Little Lami. Okay. So it's therapy, my therapy.
Oh.
So ngithatha ngalethi eSwatini leligama because vele music it is therapy for every situation yabo. So mina njengami ngikhulele eZayoni ekhaya kunelisonto eZayoni makwami umfundisi baba wakhe bekumfundisi nami into bamfundisi nje umfundisi already yakubona because ngiyayiva lento ikhona vele already ngiyafundzisa ngawona lo mculo so umculo ekhaya bekungilokuthi iTV yabantu labadzala
Yeah.
Thina sibantwana kufuna siwenda njani so ucula la ngaphandle until kushala isikhathi leso sokulala so umculo kimi ube ngile ndvo levala nawo amagap nyalo ngibhorekile qhele sing nyalo babhizi ngale bantu abadzala njengoba kunelisonto ekhaya sometimes kuba nemicimbi yasesonveni khona la uyakubona so thina sibantwana kufuna sithole indvo lesitayenda so vele ngikhulela emculweni Sunday school ngila ngicala kushayina khona ngawona nomculo uyakubona which brings me to a style ale ngicula sona egogo ukuthi sinalo buziyoni singoba sinalo buzethisi futhi siphinde sibe nale mbhacanga lo ngikhule ngilalela wona sibe nalabo Sicathamia lengikhule ngilalela sona with the touchnyana nje of reggae nayo ngikhule ngilalela lapha eJardini ngoba anikhetheli phela umculo nanisakhula.
Dude, you listen to whatever whoever
Yeah.
plays, you know.
And I will touch the radio.
Dude.
Yeah.
This is back in the day when the radio it was one with
They must have.
They must have.
Ngimane udlalela pha kule gramophone.
Actually, what you just said, me being a fan, I can tell. But your mouth uses the music. You created your own unique sound.
My own unique genre, which I called a tribal.
Okay, sure.
Tribal soul. And kumbula ukuthi musi, we are here to create.
Absolutely.
Ekugcineni you need to create. Uyabona. And nami ngilangizama khomba abafana balangichamka khona because uyathi sikhulela emakhaya thina. And sikhulela tukwenzayo ukuthi awucabanga ukuthi impumelelo ingafika lapha.
Yeah.
Which is why nangitibona ngithola leya Sadma Award leya. Ngeva ngathi this is not me.
Check the coast.
Because I remember I used to, you know, when you're skipping channels.
Yeah.
Ne remote.
Channel out.
Now ngidlula ke SABC ledlala ama Sadma Awards.
Yeah.
Uyayiskipa nayo.
Yeah.
And about to that picture nyana, angithi check nyana for 5 seconds. Ube na that picture nyana. I remember that picture. Na sengithatha le Sadma Award ukuthi that picture was me.
Yeah, it was like a
So it was yeah.
It was a premonition.
That thing happened.
Damn.
I was wearing the guy who I saw winning that award. I was wearing the same things.
Damn.
Do you remember who it was?
It
No,
was channel hopping.
I don't remember the face, but
Yeah,
I was
the
wearing his outfit.
Meaning,
It was a vision. Gucci, one day I'll get that, and I did the same thing. I did the celebration, the same thing he did, and I was like, okay, this is how the Lord works now.
It was a
Now I can see how the Lord works.
Absolutely.
You don't need to question the guy, my brother.
Yeah.
Just accept. Chase your dream and accept whatever comes landleleni,
Oh yeah.
which is what I'm doing.
Oh yeah.
Damn. Dude, I don't think and you could have put it clearer than that. So well played. Well played.
It's been more than 20 years now.
Sure.
And you know, khona umuntu lokhulekela kufika la ngikhona khona mina inyalo. And then kunebantu labafila ngathi I am grateful for ukuthi ngifike la. Kunzima ukuthi ufike ebukhweni mina.
You know, funny enough, Maui Beganjalo, I had some youngin, some little teeny boy panji on some I don't know what I was doing. I was filling in some forms.
Yeah.
And she happened to be looking over my shoulder and she's like, just as you old, yo. And I'm like, hey, listen, I worked very hard to be this old.
Yeah.
I worked very hard to be this old. When you're still under the care of Mama Le Papa.
Yeah.
First time, call me when you've had 7 car accidents.
Yeah.
Call me when you've had like gun to your head more than once.
Wait.
And once you can me and you can sit down and compare word for word, bar for bar.
Yeah.
Then you can tell me
Then you can tell me.
you're old. And I'm like,
Yeah.
you know what? Why didn't you honest? I am fucking old. Excuse my language, but don't say over. But I get
I understand, man. I understand because Bunale age today now. I think the 85, 6, 7.
Yeah.
6, 7. We didn't grow. There's somewhere where we stopped.
Yeah, true.
Because
True.
I can put you on the under 23 team.
Really now?
Yeah.
Dude.
You
I
understand?
don't tell you often enough, but I love you. I don't tell you often enough.
Because my boy, I'm still with my boys from high school.
Yeah.
Same class, grade 8, 9, 10 until 12.
Yeah.
We didn't grow,
We
man.
didn't go. Yeah.
I don't know what happened to us. And then those who came 88, 89, look how big, man.
Yeah.
Look how big. Yeah, they can even tell you, hey, Bashange, huh? Bashange, huh?
I love how popular culture actually made you explain that. And anybody who's into hip hop, even though they know 5 tracks,
They know
exactly.
they know they have. But man, we look good, man. Uyabona namantwana asekayaguga manje and it hurts. Now uyabona wena, ngiyathi nathi we did the same things as them, ukuthi siphume endleleni, siphinde sibuye futhi, and nangale ndlela besiphume endleleni ngakhona, we did know the right thing, even though labanyana basafuni kwathi na the right thing.
That's true. It's annoying more than anything else.
Kakhulu, and kuwabuka lamantwana uyabona ayiwin and you cannot do anything about it.
True.
Which also brings me, Guti, what I'm trying to do with this music. I'm trying to bring hope and faith to these young boys. Namanje ngisahlala nebafana laba nabo 18. I look the same age, yeah. Because I'm trying to convince them not to take that path. I'm trying to convince them because they are gods. I'm trying to convince them because they are authors. You know, I'm trying to convince them because they are bigger than.
You're bigger than. That's true.
And look cool. You're bigger than being cool in faith. You don't have to be cool. You don't have to be cool. You just need to live and then start your thing.
That's it.
We all have our thing in faith. Start your thing, whatever it is. Just start it. You will see, just start.
Well, that's the most difficult part.
Yeah.
That first step.
And it's that's where fear takes over.
That's true.
I remember Jay went to Mabala, right? Jay's Peter is my brother, né? And then he went to Mabala Noise, and whatever happened in Mabala, it happened to every side artist that was there. And then when he came home, I said, "Come and live with me." I mean, I was still part of SAPS, I think. And then when he came to live with me, he said, "Pela, I'm here, Manje. You don't have an excuse not to start." And Pela, I haven't started yet. I didn't start. He knew what I want to start, but I think my life was going great in Alaso's cards.
Yeah,
about me working, earning, making a living. You need to start, man. It's me, no, man. But I brought you here good to relax, to focus, but it's not good for you. Manj, let's stage this. And then he went like, "Okay, just one song, and then I'll leave you alone."
Okay. And that is a trick, by the way. I'm happy to work.
Yeah. And then another sign would say I had to start. Anguta was a member of the SAPS.
I'm coming back to that. I'm coming back to that.
So we attending this burglary. The guy is not there. Ugas Kukuza. They stole everything and left the guitar.
Dude, that's a sign if I've ever seen one. Yes.
Okay, we got hold of the guy. Ugas Kukuza could be a pilot of the case, right? Wabuya, we went to the house, solved the case, and then he had to check whatever is missing, and then came back, and then after I sister the case, something like him, let's tell the guitar.
I was coming to that. Yes. Please tell me that's the guitar.
This is not the guitar. Okay. It's a blue one.
You should have lied to me. That's fine.
Those 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 cheap ones, but they look good. They right for starting.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, but guitar, but
okay.
The guy wasn't playing it. He was just but he never came back for it. Damn. Yeah, Yeah.
Bafo, you said a lot about your upbringing and everything, but I don't think you actually said it was really ukhule.
Ngikhulele eKabhokweni lapha eNkohlakalo, and then makwami wathola stand halfway eNkohlakalo shothi ngikagogo kaboma. Makwami wathola stand halfway, it's not very far, it's a kilometer away. Then ngikhulele halfway, ngikhula nebantwana bakagogo. And then nami I live I think 3 kilometers from halfway in Hlalepejukufa. That's where my house is. Na Fro lapha and my kids.
Nice.
Yeah.
At some point, you were with the SAPS.
Yeah.
How did you leave the SAPS?
Njengoba ngisho ukuthi you just have to live as in like phila.
Yeah.
Philela le ndlela ofuna yona. Okay, nale guitar leya bese ngihamba nayo night shift.
Okay.
Yeah. So night shift ngiyadlala. Some of the songs I did lengathi compose. When it composed ku night shift. And then my first song lengayenda naye Jay athi lekhatha zimcule my first song. Stay with me. Your song Stay with me, guys.
Yes, I do.
That was my first song, guys. Nina ngithi ngifana nithi Zapapa sasithi Zapapa ani Zapapa we start over Zapapa Zapapa oh yeah man Zapapa Zapapa I met this girl, she had sexy legs. She came down on me. She came down on me. She gave me her heart, everything inside. What the night? She don't break my heart. I gave her my word, and that I will never break your heart. I gave her my word that I will never, I will never break your heart. Her name is, if you really want to know, stay with me, stay with me. If you really want to know, stay with me. Yeah.
Wow.
So that's one of the songs I composed on Night Shift.
Night Shift.
Yeah.
Damn. And what was the motivation for that particular track? I mean, we say Night Shift. If it is 2 o'clock in the morning, it's dead quiet. What happened?
I mean, Nangena SAPS. I had Ngena with my experiences a good team. You know, I've lost Tinvombi, you know, Cholile Tinvombi. And then Cholaguti love inspires me a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah. So on this song, I'm saying I met this girl, and then on the chorus, I want to tell you the name, but without telling you the name, I'm saying if you really wanna know the name, stay with me, Sambi Nalenko. You know. So love inspires me. Good thing in them too, and then the team letendeka kulam emhlabeni. My situations, the way I was brought up, it's a song, man. Everything, it tight. But this industry has been there. In Abu Papa Johannes Bia.
Oh, yes.
You know, by that time now over Papa Johannes Bia, I've met Papa Johannes Bia. He's a big fan. Yeah, we understand. I got that next ngaphandle kwemngena ndlini, mshini wami, and he knows my moves. Umthola naye sekashaya letala. Uyangibita mos. Yeah. Uyangibita nje athi fika la ndlini. Kunebale ngifuna abantu ukubona, uyabona. He feels ukuthi I'm not being appreciated enough. And I mean ngithi mina yonke into yenzeka ngesikhathi, brother. Njoba ngisho ukuthi lona isidududu lona bicycle uthandazela isidududu mfethu lona isidududu ufuna imoto lona imoto sofuna yabo so vele kusho ukuthi kohlala kunjalo so rather njoba ngisho ukuthi to be an artist so khona nokubukwa like the whole 4 weeks of the month noma ngabe ngimalini kokho lokuthi bacabange wena to come there and do your thing it's very big. Then uba nalenhlanhla ke ukuthi get a lending hand uthole ama sponsors yabona nawe ukhona ukuthi elevate because to be a musician kufuneka a lot of things than ngene studio ngesebenzise badlala kuma radio. We need there's a lot PR, you know, there's and then there's music videos and then those music videos need to be submitted to all the platforms my music video. It's a lot and it costs money. Yabo EPR badala monthly ifuna monthly vele like about 20k the standard one. That's the standard. Khona labadala 100k ubathola sebanema gigs overseas ubadala 100k monthly nomuntu go for PR. Those guys they go out for him or her.
Yes.
Yabo bamtholela leyo msebenzi leto khona ku maintain that 100k a month. Yabo for a standard artist like me ngithi like a PR about 20k a month for ukuthi ngikhone kusuka kula lesigaba lengikuso kuye to the next
level.
Yeah, and anginayo le mali njengoba ngisho mfethu nginebantwana mina by5. Yabo and then nginemfati lapha endlini sipawupede nje semuntu sesinempilo sekufuna ngicabangele bona. Angeke ngikhona kusebenzisa imali yasendlini le ngiyisebenzisa yes to record but lenye nami ngitshela ukuthi njoba ngithi mina ecala lokuyingedevelele these things will come to me njoba ngisho ukuthi sengiyaku even khuluma ngato so umlomo wangithi vele ngiwelo yende konke lo so ngiyayibida le nayo le PR ngiyayithinga iPR lento khona ukuthi ngiside kuya the next level because that's where I am. And then before starting leli phupho lami lelikoko bengifuna mina ukuba msakadi.
Okay.
Yeah,
I went through that as well.
Nah.
Yeah, I did.
The name Patient Master is not for singing. I was gonna be the master of the airwaves, Coco.
Okay, right.
Yeah. So we are gonna put in Kambago. So the package level you need to familiarize yourself with about acting, presenting, also podcasting manje it's career man. Yabo. But very involved one and this drama thing. Involved one. So EPR ikusebenzela kuwo wonke lama elements la. Yabona, it gets you a role go any soapy. Le ba relevant nayo. And then uyakhumbula Sjava beka ku zone 14.
Yes.
Sjava bekapora ama goal strong la back zone 14 ku Pratai kana wow. You know, and then when we saw him go music so yabona ukuthi tsala taka Sjava mfethu. Kutsala taka Sjava. Not only him, baningi khona nomjita lo Actor Generations ne podcast manje ne shaya any rap.
Yes.
Shaya any rap.
Tiam, it's again. I'm gonna before I lose my total thought process. Really. So you leave. This is Passion Master. You leave the SAPS.
Yeah,
That's fine. And at some point, you had an ancestral calling.
yeah.
Now my question is, how did that influence your music?
The calling was through music. The person inside me. Cause in Klalangisho, man, I cannot be writing this kind of music. I thought it was me writing the music. I am not that kind of a deeper person. If the music I should have been writing, it's very light. Cause I'm just a happy guy. And in Tanzania, kuphila nje sijabulile. So that guy who told me to quit SAPS, it's the same guy who said I must start music. Also the same guy who I answered the calling to would say to find out what does he want from me. Do I need to start a journey of healing? and then nabafika ngale bangibulela but no, it's no you. The reason he showed up is because you're on the wrong path. Yeah, well,
he came in as a guide.
Bring you back. To bring me back to the age and faith. Okay, I was like, okay, can this guy still exist? Yeah, well. So as long as ngilana, I'm honoring the guy's intentions ngami. Yeah, well. Ngikoko lolo ngikhathi.
I get you, dog.
Yeah.
I get you. Ooh. It's funny how strangers play a role in our lives.
Yeah, in fact.
Because at that moment, he's a stranger to you, but to him or her, to actually show you what you don't know.
To tell me what he's always here.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I must not feel alone. Because we do feel alone. And I believe that everyone has this person besides him or her. Whatever you're doing, you are not facing things alone.
And that means that phrase, the strangers are friends you don't know yet.
Yeah,
it's actually quite true.
It's true. It's true. And kumbula ukuthi a stranger will uplift you until ekhaya bakwamukela.
Yeah.
But then ekhaya they won't because babona ukuthi uamukela ama stranger.
Yeah. Bafo, what do you think did other genres of music play a role in your sound as it is today?
Njengoba ngisho ukuthi I take other genres as competition yana because music it's words. Yabona, and words need to be aligned properly. And ubova nje nawubeka nje amagama ahlala kahle. Kuba iba mnanzi nje nengoma. So la ama genre buka amapiano. Aqala la khaya but it's competition to kumculo wase States manje baculi base States they want to tap into that because it inspires them. So other genres are inspiring me to do better kule genre yami. Yabona.
So Terrible Soul, if there was a recipe, you had to write down a recipe of Terrible Soul, which is your genre.
Yeah.
You would say it's 12% what's Tatamia, 7%.
It's 40% Zion.
Yeah.
20 Tatamia. 20 Mpakanga. And then we have another 20 white. And 20 reggae.
20 reggae.
Yeah.
Okay. I like that. It's nice and balanced. Because I picked up a Statamia and Mpakanga in it. But now that you say reggae and the flow itself, it's very chill. It's very chill. So reggae
ikona.
Nice one. Okay, Mr. Passion, Spongo Master.
Yeah, Spongo Master.
Which song do you think put you on the map? And then which one do you think should have been the one to do that instead?
Let's get it.
Let's come with it. My babo afa bongi bolange mesu mishikete mane my babo did kali wami toko yobitinisa rota it's my yama it's a darling, toko yobitinisa rota but I don't be as fair Nitsigela lokhulunywa bantu banemona inginga yabo bayangijaja laba ungabathandi ngijabule kanye nawe wena unglavi wami phela umanga ulalela abantu abaninginga mina ngiyatifela ngawe ngiyayifuna ikethe mani ngitelungile lelo thuba mfane bamfu ngithi xoxa nawe uniseletha bale hayi bathi ngipheshi master ngosemsini Ntombi, ntombi, ngifuna kuhamba nawe, hamba nami, ngiyesaba ngafa, ngivela Zandvoort eGetsemane, ayi babo, ngafa, ngivela Zandvoort eGetsemane. Ay babo ngafa ngibona ngemehlo iGetsemane ay babo. Injalo gogo. So this is the song that brought light.
What's the name of it, my guy?
iGetsemane. It's the song that unified iGame, Barberton ne Gapokweni. Igame ngilangithole khona amachita eyakho Thizo na General, and they showed me a way to submit music radio. That's what I took from them. Because I said, this song won't make it to radio. It was like, no, chill, man. Chill, we got this. When a colleague, we'll put it in there. So they got my name inside Guma radio stations, and I'm very grateful. Thizo na Mr. Senior General. And then Barberton ngilak Chase Peter na Doses Lutula le chorus, Lady NK, and then there's me Gapokweni. Ngoma irecorded Gapokweni. Njengoba ngifije, like it wasn't planned.
Okay.
Because beba vakashile kuthi bebandlula futhi kuthi batosiceka nje January koko kude umuntu bekane plan. So we were like, no, let's do the song. And then it became a huge hit. Changed my life, got me the Satma Award. And here I am now.
The rest is history.
The rest is history.
Mr. Passion,
Puti.
how did you start working with Phumla? I know what's Pupambisi guitar. I don't know when she's gonna come and every person. You know, black women when they come to their shit. So
Mngani no Phumla sihlangene COVID-19 pandemic.
Yeah.
Nasabaqala kuvula. They did open baphinze bavala. Nabavula, she was booked Siapa iseKaslam. Halfway. So Jewangfonela wathi kuse Phumla utanga lapho ne ngicela ukuthi uyoba naye lapha because Jane na Phumla bebahlala edeskini leliwana, and then kabo Phumla bahlala na Jay for ngathi bo 2 years. Yabo just ukuthi bathathe Jay bambonisa indlela because bambona anale potential lanayo manje. So ngaya lapha na Phumla ngafika ngathi introducer, and then we relaxa. Ngamtshela ukuthi I'm gonna open for you. I opened the stage for yena. Wathi uqala ngibona after la qeda kucula. She went to sing. She came back wathi kusebe ngicela sishaye ingoma on Monday. That was Saturday. Monday we did Sikhanyisele.
Huh?
Yeah.
That's the first song you recorded together.
Yeah. Sikhanyisele.
The hit.
Wow, and Buga ihlangene njani? There was a chance meeting. Firstly,
Yeah.
Jay passed the ball.
Yeah.
On some note, you know what? Lomuntu sekaslako anyway.
Yeah.
Might as well uvule for yena. And
Yeah.
then everything lined up during your opening, and boom, meeting after 2 days later.
Hit song. And then after Sikhanyisele, we saw that Sikhanyisele was a hit, and then we said we're gonna work on an album. That's when we did Msombuluko, Nikutfekele, Mngani Wami, uyangibona, nabo ubonani kimi. We lapho sisebenza na Skadu Bush, that's the producer. Frank Mapiti also did 2 songs, Ubonani Gimi and Ngege. Yeah. And then it's producing Chase Peter na Pagza. Yeah. Those are the guys we used.
Who produced, can you say?
He beat Kamga Guskad, a push, and then he producing Jay. Yeah.
So how's your relationship with the singer-songsters at the moment? Can you look forward to another PM Square album?
Yeah. Maybe a singer.
Yeah.
Maybe a singer. Jomba Nalasa's cut to the plan was for the singing.
Yeah.
Which led to an album.
Yeah.
And then maybe a single, because Namaji, she's working with this other guy. They are promoting a song. Maybe after that song, maybe we can try something. But we are having a gig, Minena, 24 September, Heritage Day, in Nkandla, Lifestyle Eskuma. Next week, or Wednesday, we still work together. In my performance. If we are booked, we are booked. And then we still work together. And then on a song, we did an album. We're still doing our own thing, manje. But the possibility of a song as Sky Valley.
Okay.
She's still my friend.
It's still on the table.
We still talk.
When time willing and schedule willing.
Yeah.
Azish. Okay. Bafo, like I was saying, I met you this week musically. And I'm learning about you today as so because we're having a one-on-one. But what do you think is holding back your career from flying under the radar, even more mainstream and into the limelight? Why do you think is holding the people back?
Now ngabuka my calling Lago Music. It's to bring everyone in. I think I'm playing that role very nice. I'm letting everyone in. I am a door. But now again. Now again. That role needs to be respected. And now I need to respect it. Yakumbula Lona Bamtume Tarashish. John.
Yeah.
You cannot go la ufuna kya kona. Ufuna uqalele. Lebaptume kona. Nayo when they answer.
Oh gosh. Funny enough, we did a track with Mngani Wetu, Don Pressure.
Yeah,
called Mngani.
That's the second song. We have a first song.
You have a first song?
Yeah, he's on my second album, and we did a song Lipupolami. Yeah, that's when he showed me his skills.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we became friends. We were friends before, but we became more friends.
Yeah.
After the song, and then I still owed him the song, the one we did now. I think it has been like 3 years.
Yeah.
Coming, because I promised Kutsi now since he did Lipupolam for me, I'm gonna pay him with the song as well.
Okay.
But the claim me much, and with timing, it's time.
Yeah.
So I thought I'd surprise him. Let me take my tribal and then fuse it with George. Singis. I took my tribal, then I fused on it, and then that's what I did on his song Mngani Wami.
Wow.
Yeah. In fact, we have upcoming legends like Mpumalanga. There's Twasa, there's Frank Mapiti, Machitaling Spani now, and then they followed the path. Yeah, but since I'm the door. Yeah, but there's Twasa, there's Frank Mapiti, there's Mr. Chosen, Kuna Menti Music Job, and we have a lot of guys. Kuna NK, kuna Makosi RSA, usaine Umuti Records, use Babaton. He's doing great Lapaku Black Diamonds. We don't have a lot of females, cause kuna Pumla, and then kuna Bonamtebo Zimbili. kunabo Gugumesh,
Yes.
kunabo Mqiniso Mabasa. Yabona, we have great people that are keeping Mpumalanga happy ngemculo. Lomnanzi pure mculo, well engineered mculo, because we have great producers, Bo Parks a record, Bo Jace Peter, Bo Legend, again, Loshai Getzeman. He produced it, White Hat project was a game, a game. We have Bo Jobanguchalanga Eyako, Bo Senior General, they paved the way, which is Konebona, which it is possible for everyone. You just need to stand up and start doing.
I wonder what would happen if everybody you just mentioned, they spend a weekend together with the recording equipment and 3 days of
Food.
I wonder.
That's what they do, Pela Echos. But they call it camp.
Yes, music.
Yeah, music camp. Tine, I don't think I think we can.
What do you think would be needed for such a thing to happen?
We need
For
we need a house. We need a house. Invitation, everyone will honor my invitation. If you has chosen Sila for the weekend, come over. Jay, come over. Pagza, Legend, all the producers come over. They will honor the invite. And then I'm going to start funding the whole weekend. You know, right. And then transport, you know,
Yeah.
and then you brought them over. It needs money.
I hope Kune some shadow investor out there listening, which will, because the return on investment econ.
Kumbula ukuthi if we can do that,
Yeah.
wonke umuntu la uyoba anengoma nawe everyone,
Yeah.
even individually.
Yes.
Ukuthi lona uphume na 3 ingoma takhe with everyone. And then we're gonna have that song, that special song.
Yeah.
That's corner song.
We are the world.
Yeah,
yes.
we are the world yet. Mfethi yalakhaya. Lemnanzi.
Lemnanzi,
Ish booty. My recording sessions I'm chosen. Nashabo makhwapheni bomngena ndlini. I'm chosen DJ TPZ. Abamnanzi kakhulu. Cause sonke lapha siphuma netingoma. Yabo. Oh, boy ngikhohle mention this guy but ni King Rider. He's coming. He did Ngiyacela ungikhumbule nami uma sawisa amagama empumelelo. That guy is coming in fact. That's a king. Nakathi King Rider, akasenga understand.
Yeah.
That's a king in fact.
Look out for King Rider.
But for what type of new music or performances should we look out for in the future? What are your future projects?
Njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngikhiphe i-album nami. It's called Embelekweni. It's doing great. Like on YouTube, it's doing great on Spotify, and then it's also doing great for Enamint. But then, manje, we have this new element. We're coming with there's this guy called Paymaster. Ulapa Eskuman. Sing the shine like Kokobo, Ngazula. And then manje we did a cover, I'm Tuli, so we're gonna release that cover end off. Them Tuli say angakali. So we did a Swati version of that cover. It's gonna come end off. And then working with Paymaster is also got a few people he needs to introduce to the business. So we're trying to keep it Mpumalanga. Whatever we're gonna do, let's whatever we're gonna do ngalabafana kuthi bakhona ukukhula bakhona nabo kubona indlela lokutovela from that goal kuba nje tibusisi lokuyela kutovela kuba tibusisi gogo because ekugcineni sesibhadzala njengoba ngisho.
Dude, you're not getting any younger.
Yeah, sesibhadzala mfethu, we need to pave a way for these young kids.
Mr. Passion, do you think we left anything out that you want to put a spotlight on?
No, I think we covered everything because we spoke about the music, man. We spoke about the talent that's here. We did speak about the challenges that we are facing, and then what we hope we can achieve if those challenges are not there. Yeah, well, and then to anyone who wants to start this business, You need to change your life. You need to like break yourself and then reinvent yourself. The person that you are now, you need to tear that person apart and then build yourself again with the person you want to be. Yeah. Because you need to leave a few people, distance yourself from a few people so that you can be able to align yourself, also align yourself with people who will think the same way as you. Yeah. Because my dream is to go Botswana. They listen to my, I have friends in Botswana, I have friends in Namibia, friends in Mozambique. I need to go visit these people, Coco, and deliver this music. Yeah. So I told you my first song was my first album was Little Pilam, right? So I'm gonna take it back to that song. Yeah. Annaman Jehovah ningibona la ngaphandle, la ngaphandle. Angamandla Jehovah ningibona la ngaphandle, la ngaphandle. Phela nami ngiyafana na wonke muntu lokhona la ngaphandle, la ngaphandle. My only desire kubona wonke umuntu efana la ngaphandle, la ngaphandle. Nakini ngiyabamnyama tu, ngithi ngibuke etulu mina ngalibona izulu. Hawu ye mama uyabamnyama tu. Oh, ngithi ngibuke etulu mina ngalibona izulu. Yeah, kodwa mculo olitelaphi lami. Oh, mculo is my star. Phela kulapho nginethekela khona, nangibathi hibe la ngaphandle, la ngaphandle. Oh, mculo olitelaphi lami. Oh, mculo is my spine. Phela kulapho nginethekela khona, njengawonke umuntu lokhona la ngaphandle, la ngaphandle. I wanna take you on a journey, oh, far across the universe. I wanna take you on a journey, far across the universe. If past Lightyear was here, then I thought to infinity and beyond, to infinity and beyond. Come with me to a place of love and peace, of love and peace. Kulapho ngithethela khona, njengawonke umuntu lokhona la ngaphandle. Bathi kuyabamnyama tu, ngithi ngitulu mina ngalibona izulu. Kuyabamnyama tu, angithi ngitulu mina ngalibona izulu. Phela mculo olitelaphi lami. Oh, mculo is my spark. Kulapho nginethekela khona, nangibathi hibe la ngaphandle.
Boys and girls, it's not often that I get actually taken aback by artistry and you know the whole package and coming it all together. I mean, this dude, I didn't know he existed last week, and I say that from the bottom of my heart. but we learn every day. We live to learn, we live to go. That's what we do. That's why we are here. I mean, this is Saturday morning. We're supposed to be on our fourth beers, but here we are. Here we are, Jay, learning as blacks, as South Africans, as musicians, as creatives. Oksam, thank you for honoring us.
Actually, guys, thank you for having me.
Sure.
Inside Bombay, I'm fit. I'm singing.
Like honestly. No, like I hope just somewhere out there somebody was listening. I hope more than anything else, my takeaway from this is that whole United Artist Initiative that we spoke about.
We need that.
We need that.
Yeah.
We need that. That's gonna be like at least 40 tracks that come out of that 3-day weekend.
Yeah, and everyone will benefit from that.
Everybody's gonna eat.
Yeah,
that's the whole point. That's how.
Because it's very hard with getting artists together. But if you can get them together, everyone can work. Work in 70 low for 7 years. You can do it on that weekend.
That is true.
Yeah, well.
That
So
is
yeah,
true.
you can save a lot of time. Yeah, everyone is there, and then a lot can be done.
So when you guys do make it happen, don't forget where you got the idea from.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Obviously, you're gonna be there.
Dude, born definitely.
Yeah, you're gonna be there.
Thank you.
We need everyone there, in fact.
Ne.
Yeah, we're gonna personality. It brings light to any room that you can be. Buganam, I don't know you, but I can see what's when you are the party. Yeah, great personality. Yeah, well, you can tell he's clean. Nothing moya wako right.
Damn. Okay, cool. It's time to wrap this up. Okay, at the risk of starting to levitate, because Valenje, all this nitrogen that's been helium that's been blowing into my ears, and Vele head getting big and stuff like that. We don't want that. Thank you for honoring us with your presence, good sir. It's been a pleasure, and I hope to see you grow bigger and bigger. Thank you for joining us for yet another episode of Insani Mambela. We hope that you picked up, you have a few takeaways from this episode. It's been real, it's been yummy, and don't forget to wear the podcast. Don't forget to, comment and share, and so that we can actually get in bunch, steel sharpen steel. My producer says that all the time. So you are the steel, we are the steel. Make us better. Can't wait for the next one.